Hi HSC students, my name is Jane Sherlock. I'm the Student Days Project Officer for the English Teachers Association and a very proud English teacher. And we are here to help you. We know that this is a huge year, the HSC, and we have some excellent programs that we're running just for you. So the first one is going to be for English Extension 1 students. And as you can see, it'll be starting on the 24th of May, right through until Friday, the 6th of August. That's 10 weeks. So that gives you plenty of time to access those important last-minute details or consolidate your knowledge or build some new interests and skills for Extension 1. So how should you register? It's really easy. You go to the English Teachers Association website and you can see that address there, and you click on where we have all the various events, and you'll see the English Extension 1 event is there. And you can have a look at the full program, you can have a look at a little promotional video, and you can also register. So that's what we really want you to do. One of the absolutely positive features of this particular program is that we've got two big stars from 2022 students who did extraordinarily well in Extension 1, and they're going to share their hints and tips with you. We have Luca Chalia from Fort Street and Clancy Abood from Oxley College, and they've outlined what helped them to achieve the success that they did. And it's always wonderful to hear from past students who have been on that journey before, and they're going to share that with you. But have a look at this program. It really is an extensive program, and I know that you won't get this anywhere else. So not only do we have the 2019 and 2020 HSC Extension 1 papers unpacked and giving you ideas from a senior marker, Phil Turnock, but we have a full hour on the common module, the literary world section, from Lucy Solomon, who's not only experienced, but this is really her area of expertise. But above all, we have every single Extension 1 text covered. And so you can just click on your particular one and you can see how important that is. And we also have extensive notes on all of the electives and all of the text for you to download. And these are the kinds of documents that you'll get. We have a full booklet on literary worlds, and we have, as you can see, we've got an example there from the Seamus Heaney notes, and we've also got unpacking the examination. So plenty of notes there for you to look at either on your screen. But what I would be doing is I would print them out so you can annotate and add to it and highlight and make them your own as you are watching and listening to the presentations. So how could you use these recordings? You could watch them with other students in your class who have paid for them, so you could watch them in class. You could view them at home, and that really gives you that flexibility. But the great thing is you can view these anytime, anywhere, and in any order. Have a look at some of the specific text analysis. And by this stage, you will have covered some. You can say, well, gee, there's a couple of points there that I didn't realise that I'm really now going to focus on. Or you may not have actually studied the text yet, and so this will give you excellent background. Watch it in the July vacation, because that's the time that you're going to be building your knowledge and skills and understanding in your examination prep for your trial examination. And that's what we want you to do. That's why we wanted to extend it into August, knowing that the majority of students will be doing your trial in term 3. We do have another event that you might be interested in also, which is happening for this year's HSC students. And we've called it Mastering English Paper 2. And as you can see, it's a very, very extensive viewing period. So just a reminder, how you register, you go to the English Teachers website and you go to the events section, and in particular, you go to the English Extension 1 section, click on the program and also the registration form, and then it's go from there. So all the very best, everybody. This is a big year for you. You want to do your best, and I hope that the ETA can help you do your best. Thank you.